They've been fighting in Vukovar for 3 months. It's a terrifying place where everyone feels he's constantly in the sights of the sniper, the lone gunman who sits patiently for hours waiting for his prey. The Federal Army are slowly taking more and more of the town. They say this graveyard was the front line today. A single shot from a Croatian gunman and the Serbian troops respond with a barrage. Hundreds of rounds in the general direction of where the shot was fired. And across the front line, a rifle grenade. It's a frightening, exhausting daily grind, and it shows on the faces of the mainly conscript army, soldiers who were told the town would fall in days, who've been here for months. Terrifying, too, for the residents of the town. They've been in cellars for months, feeding on each other's fears of what the enemy will do to them. More die every day, but neither side will reveal the casualty figures. David Chater and his crew moved into an area taken by the federal troops only hours earlier. They were filming a Serbian gunman when they came under fire. The team moved into a church when the sniper fired again, hitting David in the back. He was fully conscious and talked to the soldiers who came to his aid. Then, coming under more sniper fire, the rescuers ran for safety, into the ambulance and on to the military hospital in Belgrade. Andrew Tilley, News at 10, Yugoslavia.